Hello guys, I'm Joya's hair, and obviously she's trying to show you how to do the curly hair routine. It's a torture session, okay? Basically she's gonna start with Ava NYC hair primer. Let's see how it's gonna be now. I heard her saying the primer is heat protector. Okay, thank you Joya. After brushing through, she sectioned off. To moisturize, she added Pacifica pineapple curly cream. I smell delicious. She applied this product on all the hair and brushed through it. Alright, I feel fresh now. For more definition and to style me, she uses the Denman brush. To be honest, this brush is really comfy. I think it's due to the quality of product she uses before. After styling, she applies Curlsmith gel to make sure I don't get frizzy. Thank you, Joya. That was nice from your side. So you apply the gel really gently and you scrunch. Hopefully, this gel will hold me in place the whole day. Now she tied the bottom section to work on the top part. That hurts. Here we go, round 2 now. Now you repeat the same application you did before. And brush through all your hair again now. Now pay attention after the curl cream. It's really important to brush away from your head. For the front pieces, she uses her finger to style me. I can live with that. You see how much better I look now? Okay, now you can repeat the same thing she did on the right side to the left side. Okay, the whole process for each side is around 3 minutes. That's not bad. Again, the last part is the finger curling. Now, she applied the gel and smooth it before scrunching. Don't forget, be gentle please. Time to diffuse. Voila! How do I look? Now is the time to apply the Gizu hair oil to lock in the style and to make me shiny. Perfect. And don't forget to scrunch and fluff to add a volume to your hair. I feel fresh now. If you like my look, share this video with your friends. That will be grateful for you. Au revoir, à la prochaine.